The recorded video was saved in the default location. Here is our output file. Please note that some older AMD. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to record a screen with AMD Radeon graphics card on in the AMD Radeon.
Hi guys, this is Kefren, your favorite French Canadian. Wait, well, so I know you pretty much have all the option for recording and live streaming. So let's start with recording. The first option is record desktop. If you enable this, you will record everything that you're seeing on your screen. So your desktop, whatever you're doing. And if you uncheck it, it will just record your game. So for an example, you're playing, I don't know, Call of Duty. You just like want your Warzone gameplay, but if you want to do a guide and explain to people what they need to change in Windows and stuff like that, you will need to check this to record your whole thing. Also, if you check this one, you can have a small indicator that will show you if you're recording or not. I'm not using it. I'm not too sure if it's appearing when you're recording. In NVIDIA, you're seeing it on the video, so that's why I'm not using that. After that, you have the recording profile. So this is where you will choose your resolution. Me, I start now recording in 2K, so I'm doing some testing. You can also change your FPS, so you have 30 and 60. And honestly, with the encoder on the latest video card from AMD, the 6000 series, when you record a video, the quality is really great because you can put a lot of bitrate on it. The thing is, the encoder, when you're using a low bitrate, for an example, for live streaming, you're limited to 6000 with Twitch. It's not very good if I compare it with the encoder on my 2070, so I prefer to use my processor to stream, but honestly, for video, it's really, really good. So for an example, I'm using the 2K 60 FPS. For encoding, I recommend AVC if you want to upload on YouTube. This is like pretty much what you should use right now. And after that, for the bitrate, go on the web to see what kind of bitrate you need depending on the stuff that you choose over here, the type of your resolution, the FPS. For me, 2K60, I really like to put 75,000 bitrate, and after that, I just like do my editing on DaVinci Resolve. After that, you can change your audio bitrate. I recommend to put this one at max. Audio channel, just go with automatic. And really cool feature that you have is separate microphone track. So if you enable this, your microphone will be separated from your video. So when you do your editing, if you want to put like some post-process on your microphone, you can do it, or whatever that you need to do. And if you disable it, your microphone track will be inside of your video. So the whole thing will be just record and you upload. After that, if you want, you can disable your microphone or enable it. So some people don't want to speak when they do their video. They just want to show gameplay. So this is the way to go. Just disable and record your video. After that, you have your gain for your microphone. So normally, I don't know if you're using 54 on Windows, just put 54 here. You can add a push to talk, and you have the audio boost. After that, you have the live streaming section. This section, we're just gonna say that we're streaming on Twitch because it's the most popular platform. So for an example, I'm using a custom streaming profile. So I'm going with resolution at 720p. It's because of the encoder. Honestly, you don't have you just have 6000 bitrate. Don't go too crazy with this one. If you're going 1080p, honestly, you will see that your image, it will be a lot of blurry. You will see artifact and stuff like that. So I don't recommend to go too crazy with this one. If you don't have a good processor, honestly, it will do the job, but it's not the best. If you compare it with NVIDIA encoder, it's not good. And if you compare it with a processor, a good processor, like someone who's streaming in fast or medium, it will definitely wreck your video. So yeah, 720p, I'm going with 6000 bitrate because it's the maximum for affiliate. Audio bitrate, I just go max with this. And after that, you can choose again your FPS. I want to go with 60. Another option that you have, you can archive your stream if you want. Just put yes over here. So after that, you have a couple other options that you can activate if you want. Really important over here, your audio capture device. Make sure that you're using your microphone. I see a lot of people who think that they're live streaming with their microphone, but they're using their webcam. So really important to choose that. And also your video capture device, if you have a couple of camera and stuff like that, make sure that you use the proper one. So this is for the advanced settings. So let's go back to record and stream. So this is what you will see. And also you can look at the hotkeys if you want to use hotkey, but we will just like use the control over here. So for an example, if you want to stream, you want to record full screen here, you have two options, full screen, or you can select a region. You can say active stream. So yeah, 70, what you connect in the account section, you select the one that you want to use. After that, for an example, I'm using Twitch. You will have all the selection for server. Make sure that you use a server near from you. So for me, Canada, Quebec is perfect. So that's why I'm using this one. After that, I'm selecting full screen. I want to stream the whole thing, not a region. Again, my display too. You can select again if you want to activate your microphone, you click on it. Same thing with the camera, push to talk, all those options that we previously saw. The cool thing that you can do with the streaming, you can have a scene editor, so it's a bit like OBS. So for an example here, as you can see, the scene that I select is the default, and you can create a couple of ones. So for an example, if you want to create like a just chatting scene and a gaming scene, you can do it definitely. So go to scene editor. So if you want like people seeing your chat, you can do that. You can like add a camera